Good morning, crafty friends. I'm so excited to be sharing with you a new collab that Crafty City and Renee Bouquet is doing for August. And this one is called August in Paradise Collab. So Crafty City sent myself and Renee's team the Paradise Kit, and this is the Paradise Kit. And Renee has sent me the Paradise Treasure Box 1. I will also be adding my DT codes at the end for you that you can use at the checkout, and you will have one for not only Crafty City but also Renee, so you can get your summer savings in. So let's go ahead and get started with what Archana sent me with craftycity.com. And hello, these papers are absolutely stunning. So she sent me the 12 by 12 paper set by Minte, and this one is called Paradise. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love the watercolor look of this collection, and it's just gorgeous. So this is the cover page, and don't get rid of that cover page because on the back you get a bonus sheet of cut aparts, and if you have a Cricut machine, you can cut these out. Um, there's also the Brother Scan and Cut, which is really awesome. I don't have one of those, so I got to do the funnel fussy cutting. But, you know, you can't miss out on these. This is absolutely gorgeous. I love the beach hut. I love the birds, the sailboats, the beach chair. I love the little beach huts. When I lived in New Jersey, the yacht club that we belonged to definitely had little huts that were just adorable like this, that we could store all our stuff in so we didn't have to constantly bring stuff to the beach all the time. So that was really nice. But anyway, this is the first page, and this is called number 1, and it says MT Pair 1. So anyway, I love the ocean with the islands in the background. You have the jellyfish and the birds and the hibiscus and all sorts of tropical foliage. Love the little shells in the jar, and again the little lineup of the beach huts. Just gorgeous. And then on the back side here you have this beautiful sand and beach. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Beautiful, beautiful, gorgeous papers. Right here, this is MT Paradise 2. And again, you have a little beachy scene going on here. Love the palm trees again. Love the little parasol that's made out of straw. So cute. Love the little Polaroid camera and the little bag. So adorable. Beautiful, beautiful. And then on the opposite side, you're going to get this beautiful, this is actually a replica of the pink beach hut on the first page. So it's just the little wooden pieces of the beach hut. Is that not beautiful? Love, love, love. On this page, you get another beautiful, gorgeous scene, and I love the little sign that says to the beach. Well, it doesn't say to the beach, but it says beach. Love the sailboats, gorgeous. And I love the little watermelon and the little cocktails. Beautiful, guys, beautiful. And my camera is not doing this justice. This is really, really super stunning. On the back side, you get another larger ocean page with a little bit of sand back here. Beautiful. This one is called Minte Paradise 4, and I love how you have the tropical flowers and the foliage scenery with the shells kind of tucked in between. Really gorgeous. A little bit closer there. And then I love how you have the boardwalk, distressed beach look. Really beautiful. Love the colors of this collection. Stunning, stunning, stunning. And then the back side, or no, I'm sorry, the next one is Minte Paradise 5, and this is your chevron, and I just love the beachy colors. Beautiful. And then on the back side, you're going to get some more shells and starfish. Really beautiful. Love the pink coral in the background. You have coral in here also as well. Gorgeous. And then this one is the last but not least, the Minte Paradise 6. This is your 3x4 cut aparts, and they are precious as can be. I love the cockatoo with a shell, and I love again the tropical drinks with the watermelons. Really cute. And then you have the beach chair scene. Love, love, love everything about this. And then on the opposite side of that, you have all these gorgeous little Polaroid frames and picture frames. So cute. Love, love, love. Now, that's not all you get with this kit. There's so much more, so we're going to get into that too. You're going to get a sheet of the Lemon Craft Vintage Time 022 butterflies that you can cut apart right here. You're also going to get these beautiful tropical prima flowers. Gorgeous. There's 14 pieces in here, including the foliage and the flowers. That's an absolute necessity. And then you get these tiny little tropical prima flowers. There's 100 pieces in this. Love that. You'll also get some beautiful prima decorative tape or washi tape, and this was from the Havana collection. I'm sure the Havana collection would probably go with this paper if you really wanted to make a gigantic album. You also get the Melange art pebbles, and I'm trying to see, this one's called Sugar. You will also get the Prima Pastel Chalk ink. Love that. And then here are some of my favorites. You get 2 little chipboards of the sailboats. Gorgeous. You also get Beach Memories by Fab Scraps, as well as Beach Time by Fab Scraps. Let me move this out of the way so you can get a better view of these. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. In fact, I'm going to move the paper out of the way. There we go. So here we go. We got that. Beach Memories, Beach Time, sailboats, and flowers. Beautiful. And then, of course, you're going to get some bling, because a kit would not be anything without bling. And this is the Sand and Crystals by Prima. And if you didn't love these flowers, you got even more flowers to go with. That includes the foliage as well. And this is 12 pieces. Now, it's really fun, and I love that she sent these to me because I'm always running out of foam dots because I love popping up my stuff. She sent me some Studio G foam adhesives, which also goes in the kit. And as well as, you're going to love these, okay? Okay, I'm just saying, okay. You're going to get some pink and like a minty green color of your ribbons, and then these are my favorite. You got this little beautiful beach hat. Is that not cute? And it has like little flowers on it and a little ribbon. And then you get this palm trees. I don't know if you can see those, but let me see. I'm not doing this justice. There you go. They're so cute. And then you get 2 little flip-flops, and I love the fact that they're not stuck together. They're actually 2 separate flip-flops. Love that. And then also you get the cute little polka dotted sunglasses. Love, love, love. I know you can hardly tell on there, but it's there. And so that is just an amazing kit from CraftyCity.com. Again, I will have the links down below for that. Now we're going to move on to Renee's Paradise Treasure Box 1. Oops, I totally forgot about this. And this is like one of the best pieces. Right here, she sent me a fab stencil. And this is basically where you can make a little envelope on here. And I love how it has a little seagull on there. So that is really cool. And I love the scalloped look. Although I just got some new scallop scissors, so I'll probably be using those. And then also you're going to get a lighthouse anchor. And then you have the little seagulls here. So that's really cool. So you literally get 2 for the price of 1. Okay, so that's really awesome. And then let me go ahead and go on with my kit from Renee. My goodness, this is an absolutely beautiful, beautiful little kit here. I just pulled it out, and we're going to go through this bit by bit. Again, this is Reneabouquets Paradise Treasure Box 1. And let me tell you what, every little piece in here is a treasure because it's stunning. Let me tell you. So first of all, I'm going to go in with a Tulle right here. And I love how it kind of looks like a little tutu. So adorable. And it's a minty green. Love, love, love. Beautiful. And then, if that's not enough, You get this scalloped lace here that is absolutely gorgeous and matches the kit perfectly. Next, we're going to go into her lovely, lovely designs that she has. These gorgeous, gorgeous dragonflies with the gemstones on it and the bling. Love the glitter. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And then you're going to get her beautiful mermaids on here. And I love how she has kind of like a peachy orange golden one. And then also she kind of has like a pink purple one. Beautiful. Absolutely love those. I know I'm going to be ordering a bunch of those from now on. She also has some chipboards, and these are absolutely gorgeous. You get a starfish, and it says Mermaids Welcome. Just beautiful. You also get a mermaid chipboard with these cute little shells, and then I love how this one has a pearl in it. That's adorable. And then you have your scalloped edge, so basically it looks like a shell frame. I love, love that. And then this is really super cute. You get your little tiny chipboard hibiscus, and then you get these gorgeous starfish underneath. I can't wait to decorate these. And then again, you get another gorgeous frame. Look at that. Look at all the detail. I can't believe she can get all the detail in there. But again, she sends you some pearls in case you want to put a pearl in the pearl. So like one up here and one down here. Absolutely gorgeous. And then you have some larger dragonflies. These colors are just so perfect for this collection. You can't, I mean, I feel completely 1000% spoiled. Thank you so much, Renee. Everything in here is stunning. Here's some beautiful pink and black butterflies. Oh my goodness. I just love all the details. You just can't, you can't do better than this, guys. And I have been ordering butterflies from her for, you know, years. And, you know, you got to keep on ordering more because they get better and better each season. I love the mint green. I love the glittery ones on here with all the bling. Love, love, love. Pink is beautiful. And then if that's not enough, she sent me some candy. And this one is called Cotton Candy. And it has all the little flat back pearls that match cotton candy colors. That is so cute. That is precious. And then she sent me some really cool glitter glass. And it's called Silver Pink. I'm going to call it Rose Gold because it looks rose gold to me. But I'll let y'all be the judge. I don't want to pour any of this out and waste it. There's no way because I'm a hoarder. Okay, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. That would look perfect like on the sand in this paper collection. And then she also sent me these beautiful beads. They're iridescent and they're actually literally beads. So you could use these in a shaker. I love that. In fact, I think I'm going to use these as my pearls. Look at how gorgeous this is going to be. Look at that. Okay. Love, love, love. And then she sent me some more glitter glass. This is chunky glitter glass, and this one is diamond. Stunning. Love that. This will be great for Christmas too, by the way. So don't be afraid to order plenty of this because this will look amazing on some ornaments. And I'm going to be making some beach-themed ornaments, so I can't wait. And then she also sent me this beautiful bling right here. I love the blue and pink. Absolutely gorgeous. And let me see if these are flat back or they sure are. But you could literally make it a ring too. So if you're a jewelry maker, that would be cute. Little bling ring. Could even use it for a barrette. That would be gorgeous. But, you know, just thinking, I'm going to be using this for my paper project. But, you know, I'm always thinking ahead. My mind is always going. Anyway, I will also put down below Renee's Design Team code just for you so that you can get a discount. And I cannot wait to see what you all create. And I hope you all have a wonderful and fabulous day. Don't forget to share your projects that you've made in my group, Salty Beach Scrappers, on Facebook. Have a great day, guys. Bye.